I want y'all to see a true close-up of this man and how he be lying to y'all. So this starts off real good. You can take your chicken bones, your meat bones, and you can clean them off, get all the meat off of them, right? Heat them up in the oven to make them soft enough to be able, or brittle enough to be able to grind down, and then grind them down to make a calcium product for your plants, right? It won't be instant because like the plants still need to break it down. You probably like compost it after that. Or you can compost the bones with bokashi. Don't look straight into his hands when he's moving though, because that's how he tries to hypnotize y'all. But watch this. He's going to tell you that it's water soluble after he makes this powder, but it never mixes into the water. It will never mix into the water, no matter how quick he shows it to you. When he does the quick video of stirring it in the water, it doesn't even dissolve in. It stays on the top. Watch, watch. He quick, real quick through that. And you see it on the top in that cup. And you see it on the top there. So you've wasted your time. You never need herbicides when you're following him. Bing!